When the technical precipitation meets the intelligent integrated services, what kind of spark will be generated? TOPSTAR, established in 2007, serves customers with more than 6,000 manufacturing companies. It is a key robotics company in Guangdong Province that has landed on the GEM. Elite, focusing on injection molding machine technology, has accumulated technology for 36 years and enjoys the title of domestic hydraulic machine giant. When the breadth of intelligent services in multiple industries and the depth of ingenuity technology are combined, it will bring true intelligent upgrade of the whole plant planning for intelligent manufacturing of injection molding. EVH Direct Pressure Injection Molding Machine. Direct pressure technology representative work in the field of injection molding machine. Enjoy exclusive sealing patents, mold clamping patents. The mold opening stroke is large, and the center mold clamping ensures that the mold is evenly stressed. The product is not easy to flash, and the mold clamping accuracy is up to ± 0.05 millimeters. The high-quality injection molding machine escorts the production. TOPSTAR's classic injection molding peripheral auxiliary machine fine injection robot, a full range of auxiliary machines, independent research and development, high speed and stability, annual shipments of more than 10,000 units, high-end products comparable to international quality, with multiple patented technologies. Fast and precise, energy-saving and stable, high product injection precision, stable and quiet equipment operation, worry-free. Based on tempering high-quality equipment, we are committed to intelligent planning of the entire injection molding plant so that the entire injection molding plant becomes a turnkey project for customers. TOPSTAR's injection molding plant solution includes 5 basic modules: workshop, basic electromechanical and clean engineering; injection front-end automation, central feeding system; takeout automation, back-end robot automation, and intelligent information system, MES. At the same time, use 4 fast standard after-sales service to liberate production, focus on operations, and respond to the market competition. South China Headquarters Park, Suzhou Robot Park, Changshu Injection Molding Machine Park, and Songshan Lake R&D Center serve customers all over the country. Help 1 million manufacturing enterprises realize intelligent manufacturing. Help 1 million engineers serve intelligent manufacturing. Go hand in hand with you. Make industrial manufacturing better.